Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's open settings, and then you have to go to the system, language and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. And here you have the whole list of languages which you can type on your device. Let's choose, for example, where is Thai language, and then you tap done. Let's try to write something down in Thai language, and as you can see, here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.